Hello everyone. I am a student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. My name is Akshada Vikas Thakur. I am in MBA Part 1. My presentation is on financial accounting and my topic name is trial balance. For this presentation, index is what is trial balance, key takeaways, preparation of trial balance, rules for preparation of trial balance, example of trial balance. Let's start. What is trial balance? A trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet like account that reflects all the credit and debit balances of all the ledger accounts. Once we prepare this statement, we can prepare the final accounts of company on the basis of trial balance. It means without trial balance, we cannot prepare our balance sheet. One other important use of trial balance is that it can determine the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts. So if both the columns in the trial balance tally, we can be responsibly assured of the accuracy of the accounts. It does not ensure that the accounts are free of all the errors, but it can at least establish mathematical accuracy. Some key takeaways are there. A trial balance is a worksheet with two columns, one side debit and one side credits, that ensures a company's bookkeeping is mathematically correct. A debit and credits includes all the business transactions for a company over a certain period, including the sum of such accounts as assets, expenses, liabilities, and revenues. Debit and credits of a trial balance must tally to ensure that there are no mathematical errors, but there could still be mistakes or errors in the accounting system. Preparation of trial balance. Preparation of trial balance is the third step in accounting process. First, we record the transaction in the journal and then we post them in the journal ledger. Then we prepare a trial balance to verify that the debit totals equals to the credit totals. Let us take a look at some steps in preparation of trial balance. To prepare a trial balance, we need closing balances of all the ledger accounts and the cash book as well as the bank book. So firstly, every ledger account must be balanced. Balancing is the difference between the sum of all the debit entries and the sum of all the credit entries. Then prepare a 4-column worksheet. One column for accounting name and the corresponding column for debit balances, and repeat for credit balances. Fill out the account's name and the balance of such accounts in an appropriate debit and credit column. Then we total both the debit column and the credit column. Ideally, in a balance error-free trial balance, these totals should be the same. When you compare the totals and the totals are same, you close the trial balance. If there is a difference, we try and find and rectify errors. Here are some cases that cause errors in the trial balance. Before that, let's first we will see the golden rules of accounting. We have 3 accounts in accounting. First is personal account, second is real account, and third is nominal account. For personal account, golden rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. For real account, it's debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For nominal account, it's debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. With the help of these golden rules, we prepare our journal. Then we post all the balances to the respective ledgers, and then we post their closing balances to the trial balance. While posting this, we can make some errors or some errors occurs. First, a mistake in transferring the balances to the trial balance, error in balancing an account, the wrong amount posted in a ledger, made the entry in the wrong column, debit instead of credit, or vice versa. Mistake made in the casting of journal or subsidiary books. Now some rules for preparation of trial balance. While preparation of trial balance, we must take care of the following rule or points. First, the balances of the following accounts are always found in the debit side of the trial balance: assets, expense account, drawing account, cash balance, bank balance, or any other losses. Second one, the following balances are placed on the credit columns of the trial balances. That is liabilities, income accounts, capital account, and profits. Here is an example of trial balance. So we have in the debit side, building, furniture, library, books, investment. These are our assets. Salaries, stationery, journal expenses, sports expenses are our expenses. And there is we have cash at bank and cash in hand. And at another side, that is credit, is admission fees, tuition fees received, miscellaneous receipt, and one more we have sale of old furniture. All are our incomes. Then credit for suppliers, rent, government grants, journal fund, all our liabilities. So this is our format or example for trial balance. That's all. Thank you.